Hey y'all, so I'm here with Miss Barbie here, and we've got these packages from eBay, and we're gonna do a little unboxing for Miss Barbie and see what we have here. We got some new outfits, I'm pretty sure. So let's just see what we're doing. Ooh. So we've got this nice 60s outfit. She's really cute. Look at her. So this outfit is an original Mattel 1960s outfit. And what else? She comes with, came with a little hook. But let's check it out too. So I just searched eBay, looked up mod outfits, and this one came with 2 pieces, so I'm just kind of interested in that. This is the back of it. Oh, so looks like it's missing something right here, which I'm kind of bummed about, but so really cute. Got all these little flowers on there. The back has a little button. It feels like pretty good quality. It feels like some kind of rayon or some like nice t-shirt. Seems like a dress shirt, and Mattel Barbie, and then it comes with these pants that kind of look like a long skirt. Super 60s looking. Look at that. Cool. So I'm loving that outfit. Cute. Okay. What else do we get here? Let's check out the big one. What's in that? It's like a black. They put it in some kind of bag. They taped it up. So let's see what we got for Barbie. Oh, I know what. This is like some like 2000 outfit. So much trash for one little outfit. Ooh, look at this one. I'm gonna try to keep the bag to put it in. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Okay. So cute. It says keep. And we've got this mod 60s, 70s flowers. And it's got a little red bow around it. Let's check it out. So super cute. I love the colors. Really pretty. She's gonna be tripping out in this one. So cute. The bow's looking nice. Just gotta kind of fix it up. And the back's pretty good. Oh, it's got this tiny little button. You gotta be careful with that. But I like how they sewed it. It's kind of in these long pieces, and they took the nice pieces of the fabric. Yeah, Barbie likes that one. Okay guys, so we got one more. Let's see what's inside this one. I'm excited. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh look, they gave me extras. So cute. Oh, they got a little mod little skirt, and you got this like mod little outfit too. She's cute too. I like it. I like it. It's like some kind of dress, like shirt dress, and just kind of goes around. I like that. Very nice. Love it. We got an extra dress. That's nice. That's nice of them. And an extra skirt. They love giving those out. Those little hooks. So this one, I think she's like from the 2000s or something. But let's check her out. I think she's like, she looks like 70s, but look at her. Ooh. She's got her cool little golden sunglasses, her gold purse. Let's open her up and see if her purse What is that thing? Look at, it's like a paper tag. It's like paper, and it looks like it reminds me of Charlie's Angels. No? Look at these things. Yeah, baby. Yeah. She's gonna look super fly in these. Super fly Barbie. She's gonna look so fly in those. Yes, they look like they can talk. I can't lose that thing. Let's not lose that. Okay, also I figured you guys probably want to see her in at least one of the outfits. So let's dress her up in this one, yeah? Okay, here we go. Oh my god, y'all, look how cute she looks. This is a little folded weird, but she can fix that later. And she came with these crazy pants. Look at these pants. They're so ginormous. They're ridiculous. Talk about Barbie Extra. Barbie Extra who? Oh my god. Let's see these pants on her. So, she's got this ridiculous MC Hammer pants now. Yes. Yes. I like it actually. And she's got this outfit on. And it looks much better off her than actually on her. I'm just joking. But her pants are super shiny. I love the glitter. Her shoes look cute. Her purse actually opens. Very cute, watch. So, you can put something in there, I'm not sure. Something very tiny. A couple of dollars. Yeah, I think my favorite part is probably her gold sunglasses. I think that's what sold me. Yeah, those look cool on her. They match with her new gold earrings. And she looks like she's ready to go to Viva Las Vegas. Or some tiki bar. Yeah. So she's looking super fly. Super fly, Barbie. Cute. So yeah. And yeah, check out my other videos and see more of my unboxings and vintage collection. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye.